So this video is sponsored by Pionex, one of the exchanges I use all the time. It's one of the main crypto brokers to Binance, so the volume is very high. The main thing that sets them apart though is that you can use free trading bots, a variety all designed to benefit from different market behaviours, whether that's up, down or sideways. You'll get 20% off all your trading fees for life with my link in the description. And if you join the Telegram, a lot of us already use it, so if you've got questions we can try and help you out. Hello everybody, welcome back. So just a real quick video really. I've been a bit of a busy weekend, but for those who aren't members of the Patreon, we were talking last night about how at the end of this month into the beginning of next month looks pretty good for a lot of altcoins, largely as a whole, right? And they all seem to share, most of them seem to share the same kind of setup, which is that they're going to have freedom to run towards pretty much any time after the 23rd of November into December and onwards. But Bitcoin is primed to run at any minute, right? So it doesn't mean that Bitcoin can't have a pullback first, but it is primed to run. We were talking about how the money flow index has pumped all the way up to a 95 read, which is usually a very, very overbought area, and came all the way back down and continued to go down to a 31 without really affecting the price, basically reaffirming that there are way more people buying Bitcoin, being prepared to buy Bitcoin and hold Bitcoin than there are selling it, right? So keeping these candles largely high rather than making them go down. So with the lack of red candles and the low of the money flow index, suggests that pretty much at this stage now, any new money that starts to come into this, whether that's from retail or institution, but mostly retail, any new money that comes into this at this stage now is likely to raise the price. It's just the nature of the way that the price is going to be determined at this stage. More people buying it, not enough people selling it, creates green candles. So I am basically extremely bullish on this, not just based on the chart, because the chart is good. We are holding these candles above the 10 exponential. This is exactly where you want to be in an uptrend. We're looking for some major pampage coming into next month. Well, to be honest with you, even next week, to be honest with you, any minute now. Bitcoin is going to raise the roof, and it will surprise a lot of people. But then when we talk about Bitcoin and where everything else is going after Bitcoin, we've got all these altcoins that seem primed as well, anytime from the 23rd of November onwards. And again, no altcoins created equal. Some will move before, some will move after, but generally towards the end of this month into next month looks pretty good. So from the Bitcoin dominance perspective, Bitcoin dominance is trending down. That's fine. On the daily it's going down. We're below the 20 weekly as well, so that's going down. So it looks like the market as a whole is going to move as one. So first of all, I'm extremely bullish on the way that Bitcoin is going to go. Bitcoin dictates the overall health of the market, and it doesn't look like it wants to break down, and if it does, it's not going to break down by much, and if it did break down, it would get bought straight back up. Just that's the nature of the way that the chart is presenting itself. And then whatever Bitcoin does will then be followed by altcoins, like it used to do. In an extremely healthy market, altcoins follow Bitcoin. Yeah, there will likely be a deeper rotation at some point down the line. But for the moment, I think that everything is primed for some epic bullish moves. Bitcoin starting any minute now, and altcoins towards the end of this month into next month. Anyway, I am going to leave it with you there. There's nothing really much more to say about it. If you want to join the Telegram, it's free in the description below. And I've got the Patreon as well. If you want to join that, we do 2 live streams a week. We can look at all kinds of charts, whether that's altcoins or stocks and things. Anyway, I'll leave it with you there, guys. Have a nice weekend, what's left of it anyway, and take it easy.